Focus. So, I'm cooking tinola for the workers before I leave the house, you know. Ala, Jerry Bull. So, I'm going to Imoki. Hahabol ako sa birthday celebration. Hi, Lola. Tama yung picture? What's the food? Ay, sarap. So, andyan yung kapatid ko and his girlfriend. Ganda yan. Guys, ang bata ng mama ko ngayon. Birthday to you. And my gift ni Mama. And my gift.
Gift mo.
Ayun na.
Ayun na. Yeah, carry it. How much? Wow, so happy.
Parang yung magkinang ko lang to. Hindi lang pinag-lasin yung Martin eh.
I'm with Ate Eds and my bebe Aliyah. So, nag-deliver na kami kanina ng drawing. Na yung gusto mo may sabaw. Ate niya kanyam. Going home.
So, daddy mo isa. Gusto mo ah. Ako ah.
Happy birthday to you! Sana all na lang. May pasopas. Open mo, Pindong. Ay!
Wow, amazing.
They're here. Ay! Traffic anti mo. They're here. So, we're here kay Dr. Charm. Oh no, I touched the cream. Guys, na wrong turn. Papanampay, Jai. Ground. Kunak may nagsabali ba di parking nun kung wala pa ito. Kulit. We're here. Gutom na kami. Tapos, ano? Hanggang lunok lang. Ay, hindi. Hanggang sa lalamunan lang. Look at the sun. KSI. The grocery. Oh. First meal. As a sure person. Guys, di ko alam kung paano ko kakainin, but I'll try. Uy, men, sumasakit na yung gums ko. Can't eat. Sayang, sarap pa naman. Guys, my brother and my cousins went to Baguio and this is my pasalubong. But I can't eat. Oh my.
Guys, nag-short circuit po ang aming
Convenience outlet. Ayaw. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, i-relocate namin sa
kailangan namin ikwanto.
Buti po, nag-workout na pala si mama.
Oo, kaya medyo lumakas na tayo. Ay,
Wait lang. Careful.
baka
Okay, so this is my babaita. I missed her. Look at her. She's so pretty. As usual, hindi naman pumangit ang isang Kisha eh. Oh? I love your hair. Anong color yan?
Wala, hindi ko na alam.
We have to document everything.
Gusto mo dito sa labas?
Yeah, it's okay for me. Slow. Ay, ala, walang space. Mine is, I think I'm gonna choose ramen na lang. This is ramen. Hey guys, we're trying to film ourselves. Alay.
Ay, yung girl, mas maganda pa ah. Mas maganda pa oh, kaysa doon.
Bye! Thank you, B, for the night. Good night. Hi guys. So, I'm preparing to go out this morning. And naglagay ako ng ganito sunscreen to my face because no makeup tayo, but I don't recommend this kasi ito ata yung nag-cause ng pimples. Okay, now I'm here. So, I was lost kanina. Di ko mahanap. Puerto de San Juan is giving. Birthday girl! Happy birthday! Ay, you have a lipstick na oh. You have a lipstick. There, when I kissed you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy. So we're looking for something to drink. I hope I can eat this. I wanna try the slide, cherries. We're heading na to Vaning's house. Where are you gonna park? Yeah. I think may parking dun sa tapat ng bahay nila. Diba? Yeah. Bestie, I miss you! Sabi ni mama, oh, ingat kayo lagi mga bebe. Sabi niya sa post niya.
Oh my gosh!
You don't know that?
Ang lapit na naman!
Aha. Hindi napagod yung paa ko ngayon pala. Kasi alam mo ba, syempre magbabagyo kami bukas. Oh, really? Oy, kaya mo. Hi, guys.
kayo kita.
Hi. Hi. Hmm?
Buy me a cup.
Ano? Bili ka na ng cup mo.
Ano kung maglalakad na?
I only have 500 here. No cash.
Sige, pili ka na.
May cup na siya. Nainggit sa amin.
Wala akong kape.
Mainit kasi. What do you want, Yona? You choose na. Gusto ko ng fruit shake.
Ito lang sa akin eh. Turod.
Get yours na. B. Nice. Can't open. Drink. First drink. Let's go.
Dito po yung pagpipili ng pasta, tas yung sa pizza.
Hi! So cute man.
Size 7 ba dapat?
Check mo yung size.
Parang eksakto lang ba? Pinoda ko.
Can't decide. Help me choose. This is so cute. Mura na siya.
Ay, sorry po.
Running! Kasi! Ha!
Tapos na dyan likod mo. Aray!
Wala daw sasakit.
Sasakang papunta kay Rino?
Sabi naman ni ate.
Agawid ka di ko na